Max and the Magic Mirror. Max was a playful little boy who loved adventure, but he had one small problem. He never followed good habits. He never brushed his teeth before bed, forgot to wash his hands before eating, and always left his room messy. His parents reminded him, but Max would just shrug and say, "I'll do it later." One rainy afternoon, Max was exploring the attic when he found an old dusty mirror covered with a thick cloth. A small golden note was attached to the frame. It read, "The Mirror of Habits. It shows who you really are." Curious, Max wiped the dust away and looked inside. But instead of his usual smiling face, he saw a messy-haired, tired-looking boy staring back at him. His teeth looked yellowish. His hands were covered in dirt, and his clothes were wrinkled and messy. "Whoa, that's not me," Max gasped, stepping back. Suddenly, the mirror shimmered and spoke in a gentle voice. "This is what happens when you don't follow good habits. But if you change, I'll show you something amazing." Max's eyes widened. He had never seen a talking mirror before, but he wasn't about to back down from a challenge. "All right, mirror, I'll prove you wrong," he said, determined. The journey to good habits. That night, instead of skipping his bedtime routine, Max brushed his teeth carefully, making sure they were sparkling clean. The next morning, he ran to the attic and looked in the mirror. To his surprise, his teeth in the reflection looked whiter. Encouraged, Max started washing his hands before every meal, just like his parents had taught him. A few days later, when he checked the mirror, his hands looked clean and strong. Next, he tackled the hardest challenge, cleaning his messy room. Max picked up his toys, folded his clothes, and even made his bed. He expected the mirror to do something right away, but nothing changed. Feeling disappointed, he sighed. Maybe the mirror was just a trick. But the next morning, something magical happened. As soon as Max stepped in front of the mirror, a golden glow surrounded it and his reflection transformed completely. He looked happy, healthy, and full of energy. His hair was neat, his smile was bright, and he felt stronger than ever before. The mirror spoke again. "Well done, Max. Good habits aren't just chores. They make you feel great. Now you don't need me anymore. Keep up your good habits and you'll always shine." With a final shimmer, the mirror faded away, leaving only Max's proud reflection. From that day on, Max never ignored his good habits again. He realized that taking care of himself wasn't just something his parents told him to do. It made him feel like the best version of himself. And whenever he needed a little reminder, he just smiled at his bright reflection in the real mirror, knowing he had learned an important lesson for life. Moral of the story: good habits make us healthier, happier, and stronger. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Sprouts Cottage. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more fun and learning.